In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix edge transparency issue in blur in Affinity Photo. If you've ever applied a blur and noticed faint, washed-out edges or semi-transparent halos around the border of your subject or canvas, this walkthrough will clean that up while keeping your blur looking smooth. Start by duplicating your image layer so you're working non-destructively. In the Layers panel, make sure your main image is selected and create a duplicate. This gives you a safety net. The bottom layer stays untouched, while the top copy becomes your blurred layer. With the duplicate selected, apply your blur to that copied layer. Gaussian blur is a great choice for most images, but any blur you prefer will work. Increase the radius until you get the softness you want. Don't worry about the weird edges yet. That's exactly what we're about to fix. If the blurred layer is a live effect or isn't a standard pixel layer, you may need to rasterize it so the mask behaves predictably. To do that, select the blurred layer and choose Layer, then Rasterize. Think of rasterizing as baking the effect into pixels. If your blur is already baked in, you can skip this. Next, add a layer mask to the blurred layer. You'll see a white thumbnail appear next to the layer thumbnail. White on a mask reveals the layer, black hides it. We'll use this to selectively hide the problematic edges on the blurred layer and let the clean, unblurred edges from the original layer show through. Choose the brush tool and paint on the mask with black around the edges where you see transparency or halos. A soft round brush with low hardness works best, and dialing back the opacity or flow gives you more control. Zoom in and use gentle strokes, focusing on the borders of the image or around your subject where the blur meets transparency. If you remove too much, switch your brush color to white and paint back on the mask to reveal the blur again. The goal is a smooth transition where the center remains pleasantly blurred while the edges stay solid and intact. Finally, adjust the blur amount until the edges look clean. If you applied a live blur, tweak the radius to taste. If you rasterized and need a different strength, simply undo, refine your blur, and reapply the mask work as needed. When it looks consistent with no faded edges, you're done.